Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you. I am Katie and I love to share home and lifestyle content, and we are doing the most in today's video. I had shared a home glow up part 1. I will be sure to link it here in the cards so you can go back and watch that. And today I'm sharing a part 2. Things had just gotten away from me, things got a little hectic, and now that Halloween and fall is behind us, it is fully time to dive in and get this house into shape before Christmas comes out. Also, make sure that you go back and watch my clean slate, letting the house breathe video. I also put out a Christmas decorating video that is over an hour long, just to give you inspiration and motivation to decorate for Christmas 2024. But let's kick this one off strong. I mentioned it in this video, but I'm going to mention it again now. There is a lot of stuff coming to the door today, and it's all really good stuff that I have been waiting on, and today felt like early Christmas. So I finally invested in Smallwood home prints. These are our brand new family photos from this year, and they were having a sale. These were on sale, plus I signed up for their email alerts or text alerts, and I got 30% off, and I want to say it was like minimal to free shipping, and I paid like maybe $125 for these 3. I don't want to say prints, because if you guys are unfamiliar with Smallwood, it's all made of wood, like even what the picture is printed on. They are 20 by 30. You can pick your color frame. This is not sponsored by them. Paid for this with my own money. But I went with the natural frame, again in the 20 by 30. So I found the perfect spot here in the downstairs hallway going into the guest bedroom and the bathroom that the guests would use. It's just the perfect space, and just wait till you guys see when I'm done hanging these. I hope it's not too cringy. I kind of just wing it and eyeball it, and I think it came out really, really good. So using my old masking tape trick, you'll see me do it here. I don't want to bore you and explain it. You can kind of get the gist. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. But I just kind of eyeballed everything and used the masking tape to get the nails level on top of the tape to make sure everything looked good, and then committed and put the nails in the wall. Here is the finished product. I absolutely love these. My mom came over and saw them. My husband came home and saw them after he was done playing golf, and he agrees it looks so good. It just really cozied up this sterile space and just made it feel more homey. And since these are family photos from this year, it feels good to have nice, accurate, updated photos on the wall. But doing a little bit of picking up, because we're getting ready to continue to give this house a glow up. But first, I have to show you guys what came in the mail. Today's video is filled with so many goodies, and it felt kind of like early Christmas because I had so many packages coming to the door. This is my brand new sleek and modern carry-on luggage by Level8. Not only is it super pretty and stylish to look at, but it's also extremely functional. I wanted to give you an up-close look at some of the features that makes this luggage stand out. So first of all, the hard shell design that is incredibly sturdy, and I feel very confident that my items will stay protected no matter how much this bag gets handled. And it rolls extremely smooth with the 360-degree spinner wheels that makes it a breeze to navigate through the airports or busy streets. As a person that loves to be as organized and prepared as possible, these organizing compartments within this luggage, you can literally pack everything you need without feeling like you're sacrificing space or organization. Every inch has been optimized for efficiency, and I love how these bigger areas have plenty of room if you needed to pack coats or boots, or maybe you were staying somewhere for a few nights. You could easily roll up your clothes and not have to deal with checking your luggage or having to go to baggage claim. There are several options, but my bag is specifically the Luminous textured carry-on in the 20-inch, and it is designed to fit easily into any overhead bin. Level 8's compact size meets all major airline requirements, making it perfect for hassle-free boarding. The other feature is the telescopic handle that extends with ease, and it is designed for comfort. It adjusts to multiple heights, giving you complete control and flexibility as you are on the move. If hopping a flight is in your future, or maybe a road trip, I will have Level 8 linked down below in the description box for you. You can also use my discount code, typically Katie10, to save 10% off your Level 8 order. I was not kidding when I said this video is full of packages arriving at the door, and I had a few this day, and this is the other one that I got. I was influenced by Tara Henderson. She shared this adorable Christmas nightgown from Walmart on her stories on Instagram, I think, and it is so darn cute, you guys. It is that trendy bow design that you're seeing everywhere. It is the softest fabric and the coziest socks. It comes as a set, and I paid under $15. I just grabbed it on walmart.com, so I will do my best to find it and link it for you guys. The other thing that I threw in my order are these adorable traditional style Christmas throw pillows by My Texas House. These were also under $15 each, and I cannot wait to decorate with them. Still going with the packages, it is finally time to assemble the newest addition to my family room. I've been wanting one of these for quite some time now and just haven't wanted to spend the money, but I got this bar cart on the ultimate deal. This bar cart is from Target.com, and it's usually over $200. Like, there was just no way I was going to spend that. But I got this on super sale, and maybe this is why. Look how damaged this is. I tried reporting the damage through my app, but it would only let me move forward as if I wanted to return it. So I'm thinking about approaching customer service in person to see if maybe they can give me some of my money back. I assembled it, I'm keeping it, and where I have it, you guys will see, you really cannot see the damage unless you know it's there. But to me, that was pretty significant. So I actually ended up getting this bar cart for $70. So normally over $200, I got it for $70. I will try and link everything that I can to this video. I know there's a lot, but this is a glow up here, guys, and we're pulling out all the stops, shopping the sales, and everything kind of just seemed to happen all at once. But don't worry, I'm not going to bore you to tears as I attempt to put this together. Actually, I more than attempted. I was successful. I got it put together, but I'm not going to make you guys sit through the amount of time that it took me to put it together. But I turned the fireplace on, I put on some Christmas music and just kind of cozied in and just kind of took my time. And you guys, that after, make sure you stick around till the end of the video because we decorate this bar cart, and it's gonna be so fun to again decorate for Christmas. It turned out so beautiful.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds.
I don't know why some stores or brands do this, but they put these stickers on, which bless it for when you're putting it together. But when it comes time to peel them off, they do not want to come off. So I always just dab a little bit of lemon essential oil or even like a citrus if you have it on hand, and it'll lift the sticker right off. But it's just the fact of having to go through that extra step that's ultra annoying, like when Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls does that to their stuff. It's like, why can't you at least put it in a different part of the thing that you're selling? I want to say they're doing it so you can't, you know, swap stickers or steal or whatever. But for us honest people, it really, really sucks when it comes to trying to get those darn stickers off. But try that citrus essential oil hack, and I promise it'll make your life so much easier.
I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow.
So here she is in all her glory. This is where I want to put it because the holidays are coming. We're about to entertain. I can decorate it. It just adds a little something to this space, and I absolutely love it. For some reason, I thought this came with glass bottoms on it, but I'm actually very, very happy that they're actually mirrored. I like that so much better. There's spots for glasses, wine bottles, and then you have the top tier and then the lower tier for storage. But I'm out of time tonight for this, but we are going to hop over to day 2 here in just a second, and we're going to decorate it together along with my floating shelves in my kitchen that I showed, I don't know, a couple of videos ago. We're going to decorate them, and then everything's going to get redecorated for Christmas too. But my husband came home from golf. That's why he wasn't helping me assemble this, but he did catch the very end, and he's helping me with the trash, and he's taking me to sushi. So I was going to put a pin in this day for the night.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Welcome to day 2, and I'm kicking off my day by running my robot vacuum, which this thing has seen better days, you guys. I should probably show it a little love. Look how dusty he is. But he is doing my floors while I'm going to shift my focus to something a little bit more fun, and we're going to decorate my new floating shelves here in the kitchen. So here's an overview of things that I already owned. I just pulled from my kitchen and my home decor overflow, and we're just going to put together something simple until we get in here and decorate for Christmas, because I have so many ideas. I cannot wait. I actually wanted to pull out my Christmas bins today, and the day just got away from me. So maybe tomorrow's the day, but in the next video or so, we're decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited. So I will stop chit-chatting and let you guys just enjoy the decorating.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. just wanna make it stop.
So my robot vacuum came through here, and I always love to tuck up my curtains because it actually, fun fact, does not suck up the curtains, but I want it to clean up underneath, because if I don't pull these up, then it won't go underneath the curtain, it'll just go around. So it was vacuuming and mopping, so it felt good to have the floors done without even having to lift a finger. That is my robot vacuum from Yeti. I've had it for a bit now, and I use it all the time. I absolutely love it. I have shared it before. But time to let the curtains down and move back over to the bar cart that you guys saw me assemble the night before this. And it did have fingerprints all over it, so I'm just going to wipe it down really quick with my spray away spray. This is the best cleaner for windows and mirrors. I swear by it, and it's only a few dollars, you guys. It's seriously amazing. So we're going to wipe this down, and then I'm going to be pulling a few things just to give this a little something again until we decorate for Christmas. But if I'm being honest, I actually really like the way that it turned out. And I owned everything that I'm using on this bar cart. Actually, the decanters you see me putting here, this Jack Daniel's one is vintage, and this other one here, this etched crystal, is actually a family heirloom from my husband's side, and it is real crystal. So I put those showstoppers here in the bar cart so they could have their moment. But again, I will stop chit-chatting and let you guys enjoy.
You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, we had it's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.
If you guys are new here, I'm in Southern California in the Temecula Valley, and we are not far from wine country at all. So we are winery members to a couple different wineries. So I always have lots of bottle of wine on hand, and I love having beautiful ways to display it. So I do have a wine rack in my kitchen in my dining room area. So I just pulled a few bottles from there and put them here on the bar cart. I think they look so pretty here. Let me know what you guys think of today's home glow up. Clearly there's still more to be done, but I think we are well on our way, and I don't even like to leave my house anymore, you guys. I love it so much here. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will also have Level 8 linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys use my promo code, typically Katie10, to save 10% off your Level 8 order. Like if you enjoyed it, subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye, friends.